We've been talking to students today about the importance of standards like Passivhaus and achieving zero carbon in our buildings today and in the future. And so it's been really important to hear what students think about that and to explain to them how we can tackle our present situation so that our future in climate change is not a crisis, but hopefully something much better.
Hopefully this will be the first of many buildings of this type for the campus itself. And for the practice that I work for David Morley Architects, it gives us an opportunity to showcase our capabilities, the work that we do for the university, to tell the students and the organization how exciting it is to work on Passivhaus projects for the first time ever.
So the Pavilion 4 at SportPark is a fully certified Passivhaus building, and that's the first on campus, so that's a pretty special qualification for the building, and it means it'll be very low carbon for a start, but also extremely comfortable and efficient and healthy for the occupants. So we're really excited about Pavilion 4. It's pretty special for the university, pretty special for the region, and one of very few certified Passivhaus offices in the UK. So actually, even nationally, it's quite a significant building.
Passivhaus is basically an energy performance building standard that looks into a super insulated and airtight comfortable buildings. Considering buildings take about 40% of energy consumption, Passivhaus is basically aimed to lower this down as much as they can.
I feel that what we see in practice embeds in your mind more than what you learn in theory. So obviously Loughborough has done a great job by arranging this to us. So not only we get the theoretical experience, and the sideways we get the practical experience also, so that we really get to understand what it actually is.